without the furniture, it's like
Yeah, true.
rented.
Right. Oh.
It's really bad.
Really?
From cold. They mistakenly gave it to him.
Oh, I'm mistaken. Impression.
It looks like you one of those like police search warrant and like collecting evidence. Oh, you look like a landlord.
New hat.
Because I wash them.
Okay. Oh, you do wash your head?
Yeah.
Oh.
How do you do it? Oh yeah, what is this?
Oh no. Trying to
You
make.
really look like someone from the real estate.
Oh really?
Like.
I'm not filming you. I'm filming my before and after.
Wow, that's so cool. Right, I think that should do it.
Momentum, it felt like something beyond that. It was going to be super hard to walk away from that.
You tried to stay because you were passionate about the people and the mission and the ministry, and you know, we loved money. We wanted to be in ministry.
Huge lesson for us. If you hear about abuse, you have to report it, and it doesn't matter who the person is.
There's a whole
Yum.
from
Yum 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 yum. Having got it.
得啦，我16號應該都得嘅，我印象中係唔
所以我唔知啦，但我有啲我一玩聲音運動咧就係。
我已經問個公司去搬。Oh my god！咁你都要諗定。
係啊。
咁跟住佢就覺得我而家啲金錢觀念就好差咯。
哦。瞓咗1個半鐘。
有咩？
冇，誇張啲嚟講。
我真係幾中意，其實佢今次真係贏晒喎，
贏咗好多。你講嗰陣
因為買咗個儲藏櫃，跟住一啲 extension cable 啦，跟住一啲放廁所嘅嘢啦，買咗啲凳 for 之後 housewarming。而家 connect。